Okay, I'm starting a vending machine business. I've been waiting on my vending machine to get here for about 2 weeks. Like, I'm excited. I got everything ready. I got it ready. So they brung it up in here, up in the crib. I know y'all like, why do he got it in the crib? But I was a dumbass and I ordered it real early. But this is my first time doing a little small business. So I didn't really know what to do at first. And I did a lot of research. But a lot of people said get the location.
that that you could you do you want you could
Location first. Which I was like, if I get the location first and then they approve me of getting the location and then I don't got the vending machine until like a month later, I wouldn't know what to do. So yeah, all I'm finna do is make sure it function right. I might not plug it up. I might do that in another video. Right now, I just want to make sure ain't nothing wrong with it as far as damage outside damage, exterior damage. So I'm just set it up right here. Do a little small check. And then in my next video, I don't know how much power it's going to take. Okay, if I can find my utility knife. Or whatever. Utility. I'm gonna make that money. Okay, take this. I'm scared. What if I see a small little crack? I wouldn't even want to take it back. Like, I'm ready to get started. You feel me? But I'm gonna have to. I don't see nothing so far though. Now look, I saw a little spring. I was like, did a spring fall out? I'm kind of scared. Okay. So I saw a spring. Let me take the plastic out first so y'all can see it. Y'all might can see it better after I take the plastic out. I saw a small spring up in there, the spring that take out all the snacks and drop them down. And I was curious. Okay. If I can get this set up. That boy on a vending machine. Okay. Now how am I supposed to open this up if the spring in the way? What is going on? Let me make sure I got all my springs. Okay, I'm missing a spring on B1. So I think that spring came from B1, man.
Duh.
Huh. Okay, where my keys at? Where is my keys? Don't I get some keys with this thing? They must have dropped it down here. Okay, I need to find a way up in here. Let me inside. Okay. I don't know how to get into this. They ain't give me no keys, did they? They ain't hide it somewhere, like, for real. It's my vending machine, like George no more. Where my keys? Okay, now I'm frustrated. How I'm finna do this? Drop and give me 20. You up in here somewhere. Don't try to hide. You mine. Oh, okay. There you go. There you go. Let go. Very intelligent. Okay, what are these? Somebody that own a vending machine, please help me. Are these the keys? They ain't leave me no keys. Don't I supposed to have some keys, man? I'm sure I do. I'm sure I do. Just looking. Ooh. The struggle is real. Okay. I don't see no keys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this video short until I find my keys. In the next video, we will find out. To be continued.